Florida has thousands of homes sitting empty, and it's making a lot of people ask a serious question. Is Florida becoming too expensive, or is the housing market starting to crack? If you're thinking about buying a home in Florida or moving here, this is something that you're going to need to understand. If you want real, honest breakdowns of the Florida housing market, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I talk about what's actually happening, not just the headlines. I'm Jennifer Kenna, a top Florida real estate agent, and today we're breaking down why so many homes in Florida are vacant, why it feels contradictory when prices are still high, and what this really means for buyers right now. Let's start with the concern. Yes, Florida has thousands of vacant homes. That sounds alarming at first, especially when affordability is still a challenge, but empty doesn't always mean unwanted. A large portion of these homes are second homes, vacation properties, short-term rentals, investor-owned homes that are just sitting off the market. Now, add in what's happened recently. Higher interest rates slowed buyer demand. Insurance costs in Florida have definitely increased. Property taxes have risen in some areas, and many investors who bought aggressively over the last few years have paused or pulled back. The result? Homes are sitting longer. Less competition in certain price ranges, and a market that feels a little uncertain because prices aren't crashing, but momentum has shifted. This is where the conversation turns positive, especially for buyers. Florida isn't empty because people don't want to live here. People are still moving to Florida every single day. So what has changed is leverage. Buyers now have more negotiating power, fewer bidding wars. Sellers are more open to price adjustments, some closing cost credits, and maybe interest rate buydowns. Is Florida expensive? In some areas, yes. Is the market collapsing? No. Is the market rebalancing? Absolutely. And rebalancing markets are where informed buyers win. If you're renting, relocating, or waiting for a dramatic crash, here's the truth. Opportunity does not come from fear-based headlines. It comes from understanding the shift. Florida remains one of the most desirable states to live in. The difference now is that buyers who are prepared and informed have options again. If you want more insight into buying or moving to Florida, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And I want to hear from you. Are you seeing empty homes where you live in Florida, or are you thinking about moving here? Drop me a comment below.